This isn't complicated, nor does it have to be. Now you can simplify the configuration, operation, and analysis of your environment with Cisco Nexus Dashboard, a powerful operations, analytics, and automation platform for data center networking. Through Insights, one of the Nexus Dashboard services, administrators can get deeper visibility into network performance, health, and security monitoring for Cisco ACI and NX OS networks, all in one place. Power consumption, energy sources, and emissions generated by your data centers are also reported. The platform's overview shows you what's new and provides a guided journey to simplify navigation and maximize feature use. The global view shows the aggregated status of all Cisco ACI and NX OS fabrics. You can see important network trends, including anomalies, advisories, endpoints, and traffic generated. Nexus Dashboard also provides comprehensive custom dashboards, which give the Network Operations Center more robust visibility into elements that require continuous monitoring, such as switches or interfaces linked to crucial servers. Sites can be easily onboarded on Nexus Dashboard and viewed in the Operate section, where you can see software and hardware telemetry which is collected and monitored constantly. You can either search for an IP, MAC address, or switch on a site or drill down through the inventory to see controllers, switches, interfaces, and endpoints connected, as well as any Layer 3 neighbors and flows in your network. Within each site, you can extend visibility beyond the switch port by integrating with DNS, VMware Center, and others. These greatly enhance visibility into your workloads. Nexus Dashboard Insights also helps correlate data across devices, controllers, and third-party integrations to identify anomalies and advisories, which can be viewed in the Analyze tab. This lets you proactively or reactively address deviations from standard fabric conditions that could impact applications. For advanced analytics, use the Analysis Hub in the Analyze tab, which provides compliance reports for communication and configuration, sustainability reports, pre-change analysis, connectivity assessments, delta analysis, and much more. These capabilities will streamline in advance Day 2 operations for all your fabrics, minimizing downtime and MTTR. Learn more about automation with Nexus Dashboard at cisco.com.